Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a pancake with banana. So I'm gonna show you guys what those ingredients. So this is it. This is the ingredients. Those ingredients. So I use the pancake that I use for. This is my own recipe. I never refer to any website or any YouTube. So I use this one, a beauty crocker pancake mix. And then instead of using water, I use first milk, banana, cinnamon powder. Of course, I have utensils. This measuring cup and measuring bowl spoon and spoon, egg beater, and of course a bowl. So let's begin. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the pancake with banana. So I will show you guys. Let's watch this. So first I will peel it off the banana and then cut into just make in circle into small, and then smash, this. You can try this one, guys. It's yummy. This is my own recipe because I don't like to refer any website or any YouTube video. So first I'm gonna smash it, the banana. So and now it's smashed. See, look how it's look like. So now and then I use 2 cups, 2 ml like this pancake mix, and then I add this a sprinkle of cinnamon so it will taste good and smell good. And then of course I have to add 1 ml of fresh milk, and then I will add melted butter. So let's mix it. So mix with this one, egg beater. So mix until it's fluffy. Because the butter is fluffy now, so I have to preheat the pan for pancake. No, not just little bit fire, but I put some butter so it will not stick on the, because I use this one non-stick, but I have to put some butter, so it will not stick. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks. So now I have to put some this. Look how it looks. Look. Look, those pancake. It's bubbling. And now I put put butter on over of the cakes, and then I pour some of it's so yummy, you know. Look. And now my pancakes. So now I have to eat it. I have to eat it, okay? So look, because I'm left-handed, so I will cut this way. So it's yummy. Oh, butter. It's yummy. Thank you for watching my video today, and I want to say thank you to all you guys for watching my video every day. I love you guys.